If you want to know how to get your lashes long, separated, even if you have crazy, crazy lashes, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and in today's video I'm showing you how I get my eyelashes to be long and separated. I know I usually do mascara reviews on Monday, but I wanted to do a tutorial to show you guys how I actually do my eyelashes because I don't always just use one mascara. So if you want to know how to get your lashes long, separated, even if you have crazy, crazy lashes, keep watching. Okay, so my number one tip for getting your lashes to be separated is to do your eyelashes shortly after you shower. I don't know what it is which makes it different from washing my face and showering, but after I shower, I don't know if it's the way the water splashes on my eyes, but my lashes seem to separate more and it just makes it way easier to apply mascara. So even right after you wash your face helps, but I find that right after a shower really helps. That is one of the things that I normally do when I really want to make my eyelashes separated and pop. The second thing I do is I use an eyelash curler in the beginning. And I make sure I really get in there and just like separate my eyes. So I'll do it like 3 to 4 times, holding it and holding it and holding it, and really just making sure I'm separating them just so that, well, curling them, but I don't know why curling them makes it separate so much better for me. When I don't curl my eyelashes, they're way more entangled and it's harder to work the mascara through. Just try curling your lashes before applying mascara and let me know if it makes a difference for you guys. The next tip or hack for me is to make sure that I use 2 different mascaras. Now I know I have my holy grail mascaras, but I find that I still need to use like 2. When I use just one, sometimes I can get it just right. Usually with the Essence Lash Princess, I can get it just right. But if I really, really want my lashes to pop, I will go in with 2. For the longest time, my go-to was the Essence Lash Princess and the Too Faced Better Than Sex. That would give me like amazing lashes. But I just came across this new combo that I'm obsessed with, and it is the L'Oreal Telescopic with the L'Oreal Air Volume. Now, I've done 2 separate mascara reviews on both of these. Go check it out. And I'm going to tell you guys now why I think you need both. So first of all, you need L'Oreal Telescopic because the brush is so small and fine that it's perfect for separating small lashes without adding clumps. So you can really work the product in, separate them, get them nice and long and just beautiful. So it's hard to find a mascara with a brush like this that can really still add product, separate, and elongate your lashes. So this is like totally, if you have crazy lashes that are just intertwining and you want that separated look, try this out. I'm sure you will like it. And this is just like a staple in so many people's makeup routines. So yeah, give this one a try. And then after you use that, to add that nice volume to your lashes, because like this alone, yeah, it'll make your lashes dark, but if you want like bold lashes, that's why I go in with this Air Volume, because it'll add extra black, because my lashes are kind of like thin right now. So I need something that's really going to separate them, or not separate them. I need something that's really going to like surround them and attach them so that way they'll be bold and you can see them from a distance. You don't necessarily need to use this one, but you definitely want to use something that has a lot more, like pretty much like a wetter formula and like a blacker formula that's going to actually give you that boldness. And then after I use this, I'll go back in again with the L'Oreal Telescopic just to get off any extra product that I don't want on there. Just be careful with this one, you guys, because it can kind of clump your lashes together. It kind of did this on this side. It made it bold. It didn't clump it like to the point like too much, but just be careful because it can. And yeah, that is my quick tip on how to get your lashes long, separated, beautiful. Biggest thing is to use 2 separate mascaras. A lot of people are like, why buy 2 separate mascaras? It's like buying a high-end one. I find that even high-end, like one high-end mascara can't always do it. Like, I don't know, I just feel more confident in my mascara routine when I'm like bouncing back and forth between 2. Let me know what you guys think though. Do you guys think you can do perfect lashes with just one mascara, or do you think you need 2 mascaras? This needs 2. And I'm actually pretty shocked with how my lashes look like this separated on this side, because this is my crazy side. These lashes are popping. But yeah, usually when I do my lashes like this, people will ask what lashes and I'm wearing, and I'm like, mine. Kidding. I just go, they're mine. No, no. So yeah, try it out, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I want to know if you guys use one or two mascaras. And that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and link some of my mascara review into the end of this video just so you guys can see just the highlights of these, but I'll also link them below. And let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see a comparison or another good mascara combo. I just wanted to spice up the mascara reviews. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week. Bye. Go ahead and do this eye. Sorry, me and my little edges. One day my edges will be laid, you guys. I promise. People are loud today. I'm sorry, you guys. My neighbors are so loud. I hope you guys can see this though. Okay. So what it does do amazingly already is separate the lashes and lengthen them and give, like, it really does it all. I didn't mean to go back into the tube just now. The brush is a little dirty. Not dirty, but like a lot of product does get on the brush, which I thought was going to make for a very messy application, but it doesn't. I did have to pull some mascara off of my lashes with my fingers though. So when you use this, you really want to make sure that you're like dusting it off, because this, or wiping it off, because this will hold on to a lot of product, this brush, which makes me kind of nervous about like this over time. But y'all, this is one of the best mascaras I've tried this year. And I know we've tried a lot, but hands down, this gives me high end and Essence Lash Princess feels, but I think this might be better. And I'm gonna have to use it a few more times, but this is definitely a mascara I could use to go out. I remember when I went to Miami, I packed Sky High, and I kid you not, guys, I packed Sky High and the e.l.f. mascara thinking like, oh, like I believe the internet, thinking that those would give me the lashes I wanted. And I went out for my birthday and I was almost in tears because everyone else had their good lashes on and I was with these little frilly lashes. But if I would have had this, my lashes could compete with some fake lashes. I already curled my lashes. So the wand is supposed to be like top tier. It's supposed to be able to separate your lashes and get the corner of your lashes, which I do think it does a good job of. It's like the bristles are very short, which I wasn't sure if I like that or not. Still trying to decide. I think it, like, as soon as you put it into your lashes, it automatically lengthens it. Like, I don't know if I've seen a mascara with this kind of lengthening power ever. So I do see why people love this. It's very, very similar to, the Sky High one as far as like the instant length, but this one, the length is definitely crazy more. Like, oh my gosh, like I feel like my lashes are just getting longer and longer.